Hey, if you are using your Sony WF-C500 and you have this issue that only one earbud is working, so for example, and the left or the right one is actually not working, you can try to fix it by performing the hard reset. But if the hard reset it's not working and not fixing your issue, you will definitely use the warranty of your device. So how to perform the hard reset? That's quite simple. First, just be sure that you charge your earbuds for like 5 or 10 minutes with the charging case. And next, you will have to take a look on these buttons on the left and the right one. And we will have to click and hold these buttons and take a look for these indicators. After like 10 seconds of holding both buttons, they will turn orange. And after this, we will have to release both buttons. So just wait for this orange light. Now release both buttons, and now click them one more time and hold them for 10 seconds. Now they will turn into the pairing mode, and after this they will be turned off. Take a look. Now after 10 seconds you can finally release both buttons and put them back into the charging case. Next, you can go into your phone, remove both earbuds from the case, and now they will go into the pairing mode automatically. So what I mean, they will start blinking quickly. Let me just catch focus. There we go. As you can see now, both earbuds blinks quickly. So it means that when we open the Bluetooth, we will be able to pair them with our phone. So here I can find the available devices list and I can try to connect them. Also, when you were previously connected, you can get rid of it from the list and try to pair them one more time. Accept the pairing. And now you can check if your earbud is working properly. I'm also connected for this watch, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. As you can see, in my case, I'm not connected back for some reason. So let's try to forget this one and enter for the pairing mode. So if you want to enter for the pairing mode, they actually are in the pairing mode because the indicators blinking quickly. But if you have the same issue like in my case, you can just click and hold them one more time and wait until you hear the pairing mode notification. And as you can see right now, they are popping on the list, so we can connect them. And you can click to set up. And after this you will be connected, and now you can tell me if this simple method is working in your case. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.